Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a flapping bird. So I'm using a square paper. You can use origami paper or you can make your own square paper if you want. So first we're going to be folding it diagonally. And then we're going to be folding it diagonally the other way. Wait. Then we're going to be flipping it over and folding it in half. Then we'll be opening it and fold it in half the other way. And you can see these two flaps. We're going to be folding it like this on the bottom. Push this top part down. And then we're going to be, see the place where it's open here? We're going to be folding this, only one of these flaps right here. Right like this, to the line. And this other one to the line on the other side. And then before this top part, back down. And then open, open, open. For this bottom part, back up to the line. And then I'm gonna keep this like this, watch. We're gonna push this line here like this inside. One more inside. So it should be looking like this. However, and flip it over and do the same thing. Open side. And then this hard part again. So see this area? We're going to fold it this way. And then we're going to fold this bottom part back to the top. Then fold this back. And put the other, and one more fold. Fold this on top. And fold this back here. And now we're going to pull those same flaps a little bit outside, so you can see. And then we're gonna pull the other side thing a little bit outside. But this one should be a little bit downer than this one, because this one's gonna be the tail and this one's gonna be the head. And then we're gonna be infolding this like this. This, and then we're gonna curl this part, curl to make the wings flap, and keep curling it. And do the same thing on the other side. Curl it. And if it's curled, remember to hold it here and pull this. But if it doesn't work, it means it's not curled enough. So we have to curl these wings again. go. Now let's try that again, pulling. And it worked, means it's curled enough. But if you hear a rip on the bottom, it's okay. Because if it doesn't work with this, then you can always just switch this like this and switch it to the other side. So you can be pulling this one, and I'll start working with this side. The end. And thank you for watching my video.